diverse population like the West Indians would be a massive undertaking, because it's not an uncommon name, it's a common name. So they said, look, we're not going to, check every guy to see if they Benjamin. So it's obvious there's a lot of Benjamin in the land of Benjamin, the new land of Benjamin. Now, let me see. Okay, let me read this. Benjamin, baby name, meaning origin and population, baby center. This was in the 1900s, right? Benjamin, I think this is it right here. Benjamin name, meaning and Benjamin family history at Jewish, Sephardic, and Ashkenazic. And by the way, when Edomites tell you that they're Ashkenaz, the Ashkenaz goes back to Japhet. I don't know if they know that, but that was one of the sons of Japhet. The main reason why they call if you go deep into it, that the land in Germany was the place, according to their records, Ashkenaz was there. So they had to push the particular Japhites out, which was known as Ashkenaz. So they're in the land of the Ashkenaz, so they call themselves Ashkenaz. Ashkenaz, it's like you call them American, because you're in the land of America, but you're African, you're Nigerian or whatever. Sephardic are the Jews of Spain, which a lot of them, if not all of them, are actually Israelites. And I have met Sephardics, and you would think that they're Puerto Rican, Dominican, or Jake. And they'll tell you in a minute, oh, no, we're not Ashkenazi, we're not European, And this goes back to they lived in the area of what you call that, the Iberian Peninsula. Iberia is another way of saying Hebrew. And you had the Moors there. It says Jewish, okay, English, French, West Indies, English, French, West Indies. Now, when they say French and English, West Indies, it's talking about Levi and, Benjamin, right? Because the land of Levi is also known as the West Indies. Mainly Haiti, wait a minute, and African, mainly Nigeria and Tanzania. So a lot of the Nigerians are a mix of Judah, Benjamin, and Levi. Tanzania, we have a brother, GMS Tanzania, Shalom.
And this is a spirit, man, because I have done a video. I don't exactly remember the title, but it goes by Tanzania is a land of Benjamite. And the spirit was on Elder Apostle Taha to do a research on the name Benjamin and to see what country is this name popular. One among the countries which came up is Tanzania. So before I go any further, I want to begin by giving all the praise and the glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Raha, Madash, the Bohana to the Elder, the Apostles of the Jemison, well, peace, blessing, and salutation to you work here more pushing these truths to the forwards of the heaven, being at the forefront of this spiritual war. And shalom to Elder Apostle Taha, man. I look up to him like my father, man. So I have done, like I said, I have done a video before saying that Tanzania is a land of Benjamite. And like I said, the spirit was on the Apostle Taha to go through this. And the one among the country which came up is Haiti, which is in West Indies, Nigeria, in which in Nigeria mainly you have Levi and Judah mainly, and some Benjamite, and the Yoruba, like he said, the Yoruba people are Levi, the Igbo people are Judite. And when you go into Ghana, Ghana is Levi. And I want to speak about Kenya. You have some Levi in Kenya, as they are known as the Kikuyu people. But in Tanzania, this is the land of Benjamin. And to give you an example, it's like 99.9 of the women I have dated are Benjamite, man. And one person you can't miss through the spirit and power of Yahweh Hashem Yashai is Benjamin, man. You see, Benjamin is a very peculiar tribe. I'm not saying that the other tribe are not peculiar. What I want to say is they are peculiar in their own way, especially their women. I like Benjamite women. Because over here in Tanzania we have like 3 tribes: Judah, Benjamin, Levi. So you have to choose between those 3 tribes. For me personally, I like Benjamite women. I had a brother from the tribe of Benjamin. His name was Brother Zachariah, but he went back to the world. The place where I'm preaching is like 90% Benjamin. 90% Benjamin, man. And some Judite. So I shout that was spiritual. So I wanna bring Roman 80. 16 is the spirit itself bear witness with our spirit that we are the children of the Moshiach. And if children, then hairs of the Moshiach and joint hair with Hamashiach. If so be that we suffer with him, that we may be also glorified together. So my point is, she's as a spirit. I did a lesson on that, and there was a scoff on the comment board who said that was not the case. See, that was not the case. A lot of Benjamite, man, a lot of Benjamite over here. And Tanzania, unlike Kenya, Tanzania is like 75% Israelite. Unlike Kenya, and there is a reason why there is a prophet in Tanzania and Nigeria. We have a brother in Nigeria. We have a brother in Tanzania. Because Tanzania is filled with nothing but Israelite. And we will know that in the kingdom. We will know that in the kingdom. So, I say shalom. I hope you are edified. On to the next.